All right, everybody, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. And similar to a video I shot last year, we are rolling into Sebring International Raceway. I always love driving over this bridge. We got race cars right down there driving under us. Heading over to, that's turn 17 right here that we are driving over. I have a lot of laps here at this track myself, but today I'm just crew chiefing. We are here working with Lee Saunders in the number 44 Dodge Viper ACR, and it's gonna be a good day because we're at the racetrack. And like I said earlier, it's tough to have a bad day at the racetrack. At least that's my opinion. So let's get past the intro and show you guys what we got going on. In the track, it's loud, which some of you guys may know that one of my kids actually has a sensory processing thing, so we got her in the RV hiding out playing on her tablet. All the kids are in the RV playing on the tablet. It's our little rig here. Got Eddie and Dylan over there getting ready to go rock this thing out, and gonna be kind of just same tune-up and chassis setup that was in the car yesterday. He went out on some used tires and actually was fast for the session, even though everybody was kind of just shaking their cars down. It wasn't like a huge deal, but I'm gonna try using my bigger handheld camera for some of the on-track stuff, or at least some of the like flybys, so maybe a little bit different perspective. We got the roof camera on the top too, nice new shiny clear windshield that we can see through, or Lee can see through. I'm not seeing through it except for driving it around the pits, but let's go get on the racetrack because that's what we're here to do. All right, well, it's time for the rollout. And I love this part when they all come rolling by. It's all loud and awesome. Flip you over to the onboard camera, take you around the track a few times, and I'm gonna do some video somewhere else around the track. right, so pretty good session today. It's like a 2-minute, 14-second flat lap. That's on 6-month-old tires, because these are our tires from last year, and they only brought us 1 set on the Pirelli truck. So we're just doing the best we can. Lee's got a ton of laps here at Sebring, so just kind of a shakedown, refamiliarize himself with the track and the car, and then we'll put some fresh tires on it for qualifying here, and then go back out. The next track session is qualifying, which I'm going to try to go for the pole, and then we'll see how we end up for qualifying, and then that'll help us determine where we end up for the race tomorrow. Back in a bit. All right, so to mix in some extra action today, the TA2 race is today, and there is 49 cars that showed up. I don't know if 49 are actually making the start of the race. Big, huge field. And we're over on the fence right after turn 1, going down into turn 3 to watch the start, hang out for a little while. Usually these races are pretty action-packed, but you guys should come check this stuff out. The Trans Am Series travels all over North America. They're the support race for IndyCar, I think in Nashville, in Detroit, one of the two. Our series, I think we have 8 or 10 races in our part of the series, which we're not sure if we're running the full season yet, because it's the full country, all the way over to California. And we haven't made the California races yet, because that's a long ways out. But anyways, let's see what happens in the start of the TA2 race.
Here we go.
All right, I hear them coming.
Watch them guys coming in.
All right, did y'all count all those? That was a lot of cars. And we're back green. This might get exciting. Somebody ripped off something. They ripped off the whole splitter. Which, as a fan of racing, I'm not a fan of. But that's just my commentary from the pits. Time for us to start getting ready for qualifying. Alright, well it is finally time for qualifying. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Been a lot of hurry up and wait today. But we're on grid with all the other GT cars. Not a big turnout, unfortunately, for this race, which with it being the first race of the year, there's like 3 or 4 guys that got bit by not being able to get their engines back from their engine shop. We're running the same engine as last year. So I guess we'll have to see if, see how long that sucker survives. Hopefully it didn't just jinx us. But yeah, we'll be riding along with Lee again. Car pulling up. Riding along on the roof cam. See, the sun is kind of low in the sky. So we taped off the top part of the windshield to kind of cut down on the glare. But yeah. I love being at the racetrack. It's great.
this 15-minute qualifying session. Maybe time for about 2 more laps to either improve upon your position or to keep that position that you
All right, well, we are P1 in SGT, and we didn't run the full session because the guy that was P2 pitted, so we pitted to save the tires. It's kind of the game we play with this stuff, but another pole. Yeah, I think we can go ahead and call that pole because nobody else is rushing to get back out on the track. So that'll wrap it up for this video. We got to go to Tech and go get some tacos. That's just a tradition. When we come to Sebring, we got to go get tacos.
minutes remaining.
See you guys next time.
Lee Saunders,